Hi guys, welcome to my LORENTIX channel. Today I will make a demonstration of two products thanks to Beth's Best. She's Candy, my 10 years old coton de Tuliar, and I'm Lorena, the one who takes care of her teeth for food, health, and everything. The first product is Dental Care Finger Wipes. It's a plant-based product made with thyme oil and green tea extract for dogs and cats. These finger wipes fits most finger sizes. It's very easy to use to reduce plaque, dirt, and freshens breath. Thanks to peppermint oil, and it doesn't have parabens. I like this product because I can reach the upper and lower back molars, but we must do carefully because they could press the jaw and inadvertently hurt our nails or fingers. Candy allows her teeth to be cleaned, so that's why she has them clean. And also I use a toothbrush and toothpaste from the same brand. This is the second product, Flea Tick Spray. This product is to be used on the entire body of the dog and even on its accessories. It's made with peppermint oil and eugenol, which is a natural insecticidal active substance of plant origin. This is plant-based product and that's why I love it and recommend it. It's used to kill fleas, larvae, and flea eggs, ticks, and repels mosquitoes from dogs. Please read the directions well before using. For example, it says that you have to shake it well before each use because it contains oils, so it's better that everything is mixed. Be careful guys, it also says not to spray in eyes, mouth or genitals. First, I present the product to my little girl Candy. She smells it, but she already knows it. And I prefer to put it on my hands and rub to activate the oils. The smell is soft and I like it. It's placed all over the body of my dog and also in her tummy because there is close contact with the grass and any furniture. Guys, don't worry. All information about Beth's Best will be in my description box. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new today, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye-bye.